Hello guys, so we'll be doing the final question on more functions, more nested loop. And on this one, we have it says we should write a function that prints an integer. We should only use picture. We cannot use long, and then you are not allowed to use array or pointers and all these things. So let's just grab the name. We'll come back to the prototype. So let me grab the name. So in this video, I'm going to be using recursion. Recursion is when a function call itself, okay, probably directly or indirectly. So we have cd. Let's cd into our OLX, and let's cd is 0004 ls. So I'll vi the name, right? Enter. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is start the write up. So I'm going to hold on. Insert mode and include my main.h. So I'm going to include my main.h. The other file, I'm going to start my this guy. So I think the function name is print underscore number. Okay, and then so will print print an integer, and then we have an input n, and then this one is the parameter or integer itself. So value or input. Okay, and then I think it's a void, right? So it's now returning anything. So do like this, and then the next thing we're going to do is get the prototype name. So let me go up. Okay, so let me just get this, copy it and paste it. Okay, so cutting that, and then we have our, so we are not using long, so we can use unsigned int to save some numbers, or say unsigned int I. So I'll initialize I to be n, that is this I will contain our number value n, right? So we'll go down, and then so if, so this is my first if statement, and it says if our n, which is the number that will be inputted, is less than 0, that means it is negative, right? So if it is negative, then we should first print a negative sign. Okay, so we'll print a negative sign using the ASCII character for negative, which is 45. Okay, so we should print 45, and then because we've added negative sign, then let us set our I to be equal to dash I, right? So we're setting this one to negative. So we come out, and then we can have another if statement. Okay, and this one is just if 1 divides 10, sorry, I, it's not 1. If I can be divided by 10, then this block of code should happen, which means that it is a it has more digits, it's not a single digit. Okay, so that's what this one. So if it is, then we're going to use the recursion here, where we use the function name to call itself, print underscore number, and then add this, and then I'll say I divided by 10. So I'm calling the function, the function is calling itself, and that's recursion. When you get to recursion, be able to understand this step. Okay, and then let me see. Okay, so this one would enable it kind of print the last number. So I'll just say put char should print I modulus. Is it? Yeah, I modulus. Then that's the remainder, right? So you should print the remainder and plus. So I'll add this one to convert it to ASCII. And then since we have no return type, so this as I think we're done. So let me just exit and then vi into our main dot h. Okay, so I'll add that prototype here. Yes, escape wq. Do we have a main? Yes, we have a main 101 main dot c. Hey, so I think up to this guy. Copy. So we have vi 101 main 101 main dot c, and then we paste this guy. And okay, so let me just quickly add. Okay, before I add that, let me compile. Let's compile it and use this guy to compile. Copy. So we should get 98 to this, right? So let me first get you what I coded in 101, right? 101 print dot. So Betty said we are good, so let me clear and let's compile it, right? So we compilation worked, and then we are going to execute this guy, right? So let us dash 101 print number. So it works, right? So let's clear it and then ls. So I don't want to add this 101 like I used to do. So let me add this and one was it where is it 101 main dots, right? I don't want to add that, so I'll add it to my git ignore dot git ignore this one and 101 main dot c, right? So yeah, so I'm done. So let me git add, git commit, and then say print integer, and then I will git push. So let me clear my screen and let's check for the answer if it's correct. Page down. So I've not been able to do it since I've been busy. So yeah, so let's check. So it's correct, and I think immediately you'll be scored if you are doing it after the second deadline. Let's just ask for correction. So once you're doing that, let's ask for correction, and this 0 should change to 50. Hopefully, or obviously. Anyway, so let's check. Can you see it has changed? So yeah, that's it. See you.